Latest coming in from Air India, well, certain number of Air India pilots, commanders, are on a protest. Many of them reporting sick today. Well, the pilots are protesting Labour Ministry decisions to exclude them from definition of workmen. There are about 650 pilots in Air India. Air India 6 flights in Mumbai and 3 in Delhi delayed as crew has reported sick all of a sudden. Protesting pilots belong to ICPA, or the Indian Commercial Pilots Association, which belongs to the erstwhile Indian Airlines. Anandya, my colleague, is on the phone line. He's going to get us up to speed with the latest. Anandya, give us what is the definition of being categorized as a workman? What perks go along with that? And why is it that the pilots have not been included?
Well, Preeti, the two reasons that they are protesting, primarily also it's an ego issue, because remember they have an issue, particularly when it comes to the people who are like the commander of the flight, that is the pilot in chief. For them to be categorized as workmen is a major matter of embarrassment. And two, and what seems to be the primary reason, is that it restrains them from going on strikes. So remember, the Air India and its pilots, particularly belonging to the ICPA, have gone on strike multiple times, particularly during the tenure of Ajit Singh. There was a strike that went more than 30 days. So but the government is very firm on this time, that they don't want public to be inconvenienced, particularly the passengers, and that's why the Labour Ministry came up with this kind of definition. Now, on part of the Ministry, on part of the Air India, there has been a notification that has been issued late yesterday night, where it was this notification says that, see, we understand that co-pilots are not as the same as the pilot in chiefs. So we have asked for clarification from the Ministry of Labour, and those things will be sorted out. But as we speak, definitely a go-slow protest is going on, a go-slow strike is going on. It's not a strike per se, but definitely they are reporting sick or reporting late.